Karibu sana Bishop.
Asante sana. Karibu mwalimu. Thank you. Niwashukuru sana na sina mengi ya kusema hata Mr. Asante kwa viongozi anamaya mbele mtukatili wako Reverend Mondi Sakaya, my friend and my great son Idhawa Muraya Karago, our secretary wa bodi ya kanisa Steve, my old friend Alewa Lawrence, na my intimate Murika wako Ben Gidai Niti Yuduchuma Gukakaya Murathine. It is my hardest moment. Todo wothe niguo ukiire muthenya wakwa wa mbere utura wakwa wothe itare na mami irarareko todo akigurukire early morning, but umuthi it told to me it is true. I don't have my mother. Anyway, inywe mweho wewe na mwali na mami hituri and I'm okay. Na chuo besiario Daniel Akenya itamega moto mami shototikiro na pale ya faro tutiatika ginyarira maitoka hona onake kuko tuina karunya turatuile na biduha sasa ndio umebaki na niko haya kai tukagere no ina ngomono ndio nakiriria karunya no hare tuko ndio karunya ndio natariga sera ke hora horera ina ndio meriria gidai ona githikira wakaframa mwa I didn't know. That's how it is. Then when I thank you, with the very first day, Shaman have turned up in a very big number. Then when I thank you that you are giving me a shoulder to cry on, and you are allowing me to break down when necessary, because it's a therapy and it's a process. Thank you, Nibitikira. Tell the husband, to become simple, to hear. So thank you. Onabara ile mushie, ana titire mushie, ana kile mushie, mushi kutikura mu kutikura even a minute to reach kwena ndo. Ona kitu kuma tu kama shamani kuma kakatokana na oki. Mheshimiwa sisi ajokeria kitini. No ashoka insist no kinyande ha. That kama mheshimiwa kiko alikuwa fridi. Watu wengi hata sasa hivi wako na leo ndio ha. I am feeling a lot of love. I'm feeling a lot of comfort. But I'm sorry, when I decided to Erugamita, I need you more. I'm not going to know how leadership. Come tomorrow. Walk with me to the end. Walk with me to the end. Yetikili jokeria heshima shugaba shimatu mashakama na neweka mere eda mukira aini aliyama tumita mashakama. I'm happy for you akulijia na kulia fiasha odumo na tukateli to othe na makanisa mara mangi ana tunataka inclusive Bishop Jane, Reverend Jumona, Bishop Gashana Nashia ki othe Dr. Bishop Kibarabara, Apostle James Mainanganga wane alianzana na hizi vita when mom was critically sick, and he has been with me on other sino ekoreke nani ha. Nashukuru sana kule ndukatili ya shirika kwa Dr. Kibarabara to kule ndio tunataka speaker na tohera kile na kwa tesho tuku, and I'm happy for that. Hada udumu kumoya ndio nyuma na ngeria na ninde dikete abeje mono de mutu kateli telisho kateli nige mono ora fafa manti no ndakiki batile munde ne menye to tikarwa mudikani na mudikona dikelo So most of you, Ramanatira, maybe a call you to Iraqi. And some telling me so. Live in the 2 man again here. Live who do a 2 million we come with a cook on the Boyana. Don't look at the way that one of you to get it. Who to Kujira, not to have a little of Kujira, to Kajiru Burik. Put the Kujira to another way go. If you hold in the hand, now I can know one in it. But that's what people are telling me. Now, innocently. At the new world to Iraq, need a we get there. We kill double like the Kanako, like the Adwaya, Matakajo. It's very painful. Kabuko Giro. At the Ganaka di Kadiamadi, the man that was the Canadian. No one about it. They would need or have to get one room to Kia. It's not put it out. I can't keep the 2 hours to eat a Mamma Kajiri or a Daneka. Don't banish me. Now we're going to Daneka. Now the common Daneka. I'm sorry I did it. And I think I'm not to do it again. The other we can't hold with the same words. I am not able to console myself. Namaruko should doubt with a co. Nahal, Tohonosia Patanaki. Otherwise, Sitia is Yakwa, Deragasio, the other was sure who Daugated, the Ninuited and Munumiri. They needed the Moravan, not a good Icania. Or that Ducati can give Judah GT had. Luna is the Daudi can have that party. Talk together about you. A program I need him. Then talk to the Kiri oil. I brought you later go, Brocas Canadic, Amor. Thank you. But the commander wanted to kill you. You have not joked around with it, or a joke without a couple of TikTokers, the Timudu that kid, really with the carbonas. Nobody has hurt my family. Haven't to hurt. But even though I should pull sana, now I wish you the best. Or no go monkey or no morning. I know on Sunday will have a big day. Our own papia, support you, tell you what to a weekend. Now they thank you. Because you have not hurt our family, you have taken care of myself and my family too. And also the dignity of my mother. And I can say that media is growing now. We are growing. My woman to our taking up one of my shoes when they are quick and come back. I quit on I think I didn't speak. I can't get I got away there. That joke, it is dying, and I love the maturity that is coming from. And you'll be people that know about Kinahadu. Me, I wish you the best of all the young girls, young boys. You know your friends. Nani, ndiye kemo mpate ko miaka mingi. Mimi nataka niwaone mkikuja kwa Kinyakuto nani actually naona Nsaimona. I want you to see becoming big journalists and big media houses. So I wish you the best and thank you for covering me. Thank you. Joki gado, kore kanida vitu, joki gado ni kitu yule hiki hatakuga. Kore alame mushi, even family members, alame naona vijana yangu hapa na wasichana, my sons to my brother, the eldest brother, na kawati tikile. I see the family is here. Naomba tu mfanye mikono hivi, all of you. Yeah, asante sana. Thank you. Ndio wametikira. Kwa maana kuzo jokeli kwa hapa sijui kama bado yuko. Ni junior pia haraji. Mimi pia. I know tomorrow will be me. Dina bere konyitera, dina bere konyitera. Hey, hado hakurira. Just nisikubo, I just pray nisikubo. Maybe umenyelete kiasi unataka. If I don't make you laugh this time, nisikubo. I know with the time I'll come back, and I'm sure I'll be back. Asante wote sana. Usichoke kuendelea na hiki kitu. May God bless you.
Tupige makofi kwa ajili ya Bishop. Asante sana. Natauguiga tusichoke, tudina mbere na kurugama na muciĩ wao na kurugama na ũhoro ũyũ nginya wagĩrĩre na ũkinyanĩre.
I forgot to say ndaciarĩtwo mweri ũyũ wetatũ, nĩ mweri wakwa wa gũciarwo na nĩguo mweri wakwa wa gũtigwo ũrĩa wanjiarire, but nĩanjĩkire wega kũnjĩterera nginya mĩaka 50 na agĩkirĩrĩria unconscious atakũiguire nginya maitho areke nginyie birthday yakwa mĩaka 50. Then after 3 days she parted. So I don't know whether it's a lucky month or a bad month, or I don't know. Maybe theologians na mara mekujira na kabla kiko kinanyemelea na kujira mamwe ameguruka muthenya ule ukuchaki. So it's a holiday for you. Adi muthenya ule wewe ukuchaki koguri wewe umiringa ni muthenya mwega. Kogo as we continue, remember it's my birthday month and it is my mourning month and it is the burial month. It's mixed month for me. I really need you that now taka zaidi wakati wote mwingine. Because I don't know what to be happy, I don't know how to celebrate birthday, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Akisitu. You're buried.
Nĩtwa promise kũhoya na bishop na kũmũhoera thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesũ mwaka waku wa birthday ũngĩrogĩa na hinya na watuĩka ningĩ noguo mweri waku wa kũhurũkia maitũ. Rĩu wakinya raini ĩyo andũ matuĩka emotional ani ndirikĩheo kĩu tondũ nĩ ngũĩtĩte bishop ahoe reke ndĩmwĩte rĩu atũtũ mũndi-inĩ ũcio rekererie bishop arĩwe na ndona mũtungatĩri maguta make makinya ĩyo rĩu nĩ raini yaku.
Thank you muno. Kohebe twaraigire o ũndũ na ihinda rĩaguo. Koguo mũkĩona bishop akĩrĩra ararĩra tondũ nĩ mũndũ. Tondũ na Jesũ rĩrĩa athire kwa Lazaro nĩarĩrire tondũ nĩ kũrĩ ũhoro wa mũndũ na mũndũ na Ngai aciarĩtwo e mũndũ. Koguo understand rũrĩra rũgĩtigana, rũrĩra rĩrĩa rũratigana nĩ gũkoragwo na mũcayo. No tũkwĩre atĩrĩrĩ bishop witũ twĩ hamwe nawe na nĩ ũrutĩte wĩra mwega mũno na nĩ ingĩenda tu mbere ya njĩte Reverend Njuguna nĩ mwana wakwa witũ na kwao we are neighbors, ndĩmũkuĩte mũno makĩria ũkĩongeithanie nĩgetha tũgĩe na ihinda rĩa kũhoya na tũkũmĩrĩrie bishop na family yako na tuge atĩrĩrĩ maroho marĩa mokĩraga bara iria ciũkagĩrĩra mũndũ rĩrĩa aracakaya ũmũthĩ nĩcio tũgũkũmithia rĩtwa-inĩ rĩa Jesũ. Tondũ kũrĩ bara cietagĩrĩra mahinda marĩa ũrarĩra, mahinda marĩa ũracakaya nĩcio ciũkaga gũgũtindĩka na tondũ ũmũthĩ we are more than 3 tũkũnyitana moko tũirigĩre family ya bishop. Ndegũcaithio, ndekũrũithio, gũtirĩ bara ĩngĩ no mami tũkũhurũkia wega and mami we salute you. You have done a great job.